When we think of horrible hurricanes, we think of Hurricane Dora in 1964. We have somehow forgotten the punishing quintuplet of storms that battered our beaches in the fall of 1947. The beaches quaked under the unrelenting fury of 2 hurricanes and 3 tropical storms in less than 4 weeks. Yes, you heard that right. 2 hurricanes and 3 tropical storms. One account even said there was also a baby tornado. Amazingly, no lives were lost amidst heavy destruction. Homes and hotels toppled into the ocean. "2,500 feet of bulkhead was washed away, and another 3,500 feet was severely damaged. Although the Navy sent sailors and waves to assist, no federal funds were available for rebuilding. And yet, the beaches communities did rebuild. As the years passed and new storms blew in and out, we forgot the devastation of 1947. It makes one wonder, what other events of history have we forgotten? And what of our own history? What will the future forget about us?